We'll get going here in a bit. Oh my god.
All right, so I just grabbed some food. Walking around, I'm not feeling it right now. I don't think I can get another hike in me. I think I went too much yesterday. So I think what the plan is, we're going to be driving out of Moab. I'm still heading west. I think it's called Cedar City, Utah. There's an Anytime Fitness, so I'm going to start heading there.
I've been smooth for so long, I'm trying to get rough.
Wow. Full faithful, Anytime Fitness. So I was able to go into the gym, get a shower, get shaved up. I think what I need to do right now is edit all the footage from Moab. We'll pick this back up when I start doing things. All right, I'm probably an hour outside of Las Vegas. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna keep making my way west and see where we end up. We're sleeping out of the back of the Jeep again. We'll get it all set up and we're just gonna have a grand old time, okay? A grand old time. I'm at like the northern part of Lake Mead right now, and I don't know if you need a pass to sleep out here, but we're just gonna try to find a remote trail. Oh, hopefully no one's over this ridge. There's a couple other people out here, like over the hills and stuff. They're all probably doing meth, but whatever, you know. You do you, bud, you do you. Maybe they'll let me bump some off them, you know. A little free meth action here in Nevada. Come on, no one here, no one here. Oh, you can see like trailer out there. What do these people do, man? What are they doing out here, man? She's living life, man. She's living life. I guess people are wondering the same thing about me. Like, what? This guy's got a Pennsylvania license plate on right now. What the hell is going on? What's this guy doing out here? Oh shit. Low tire. That's a good thing. Just lose a tire out here in the middle of nowhere. You know what? That's not bad. Let's not go off El Clifferino. Oh boy. Let's check it out. Oh. That's quite the spill. Have a couple of brewskis and then come out to take a leak, and then you just take a spill down the hill. No spills down the hill tonight, please. Not bad. Let's take a little look. I have this regular update about the quality of my vehicle, and I like to show people how valuable Jeeps are. This one I picked up in Long Island, so you can really tell it's a quality product with that Long Island rust there. No other car could handle that, huh? That's a good update. Oh yeah. Shit. That's just the skid plate, right? I think we're good, boys. Completely detached. It's a quality product. Thank you, Jeep. Thank you, Long Island. Really appreciate it. Got a little bit of a mess to pick up, but the outside. All right, I need to get this sorted. I don't know who, like, there's so many YouTubers out there where you know, they're car camping or they're van lifers, and they're just clean all the time, and that is just not physically possible. I go to the gym for an hour, come back in, and everything is like thrown everywhere. Like whoever's like clean all the time and it looks pretty and it's, you know, it's a fairy tale wonderland. It's not that way, man. It's messy all the time. I have most of my stuff on my tire bag or up in my boxes on top, and it's just always messy. I don't know. I feel like a lot of these people are faking it, because I don't know how to stay clean. But let's clean. Make sure you keep these intact to help the turtles, and then just throw them in your local watershed or your local river or lake or ocean, whatever it may be. These are very important to keep. They have good service up here too. It's a quality spot. Good enough for me. Real quick, if anyone's wondering how I can get internet out here and pretty much be out here full time wherever I want to go, it's this setup here. It's a 200 amp hour battery under here. I set up a Renogy MPPT charge controller with a 700 watt inverter, both Renogy, and then also this Mo5 4500. Essentially what it is, it's a very good hotspot. It doesn't use your phone, it uses a different SIM card for a phone. You plug it in there, and it's got its own service. So as long as there's a little bit of cell service, this picks it up really well. In case it's really bad, the booster back here, I hardly use this, but if it's really, really bad and I'm stuck somewhere, I'll turn it on. But it tends to drain the battery, so I leave it off most of the time. Yeah, I did it in a couple hours. It fits right on top of the battery. And then the lithium battery is actually charged by the alternator. So when the car is on, this little light will show up saying, hey, the lithium 200 amp hour battery is being charged. So real quick rundown, but very simple thing to do. It's kind of intimidating sometimes starting something new with electronics like that, but once you get it down, it's super simple. And I only say that because nothing has blown up yet, nothing has caught on fire, so it's simple in that regard so far. Sun going down, but we've got a pretty good moon tonight, so I should be able to see around, and it shouldn't be too sketchy out here. No math addicts coming to scoop me away or trying to, you know, make me use their new batch before they try it as a test subject. No. Come across another one. If this is long enough, it looks crazy. No saw some at trail. Do not disturb the damage, mate. It's quarter mile. What? What do you want me to do that 20 times? Why are these all so short? So like usual, I'm at the Old Faithful Anytime Fitness here in Las Vegas. So I'm gonna hit this. I didn't realize the mountains outside of on the western part of Las Vegas are like huge. So we're gonna probably go out there and try to find a trail or something. So stay tuned. First drink, baby. All right, so I was able to work out, shower, shave, kind of reset. You know what's crazy is I knew it was real, but never experienced it before, is like altitude training. So being in Denver for the past like 8 months, doing a lot of kickboxing and stuff, and then coming back down here, Jim had a bag, so I was doing a little bit of work, and yeah, that's real. I could have kept going for another hour or so. That's crazy. I've never experienced that before, but I bet the running is going to be great too. Let's see. So I think this one's gonna be 4 miles round trip. Oh, this is after the gym. Oh, do I run this? Oh my God. Oh, let's do it. God damn it. All right. Oh man. Really starting to get tightened up here. Gotta slow down. Look at this. That's straight down. Oh. What? That rock, what the heck? Oh, I could tell how this would be it. Yeah, there's a ton of crazy natural rock formations out here, but it's absolutely wild. I've never seen anything like it. It's just weird, natural formations. Oh, that's a good hike. First Creek Canyon. Not bad. So we're just gonna head up the road towards the mountain. Find a spot I can pull off. That's gonna be safe for the night. Got something blowing up here. Car fire? That sucks. That really sucks. Oh no. Oh. That was like a nice souped up Subaru. Oh. How did that happen? We got one bar here. Oh, it's pretty exposed though. I wouldn't doubt if I get a cop or a ranger roll up on me. Say, what the fuck you doing out here, boy? And now I'm gonna chill here, edit. I might make some dinner later, but I really need to catch up on editing. But it's not a bad view at all. And then tomorrow, there's a mountain right up there. It looks like maybe 30-minute drive, 20-minute drive. Oh. And then after that, I think we're just heading out west more. Man, I think along the way, I'll probably spend the next few days in California in the mountains somewhere or some cool place. And just take it one step at a time, day by day. I don't really make plans around any of these videos. I kind of just go and figure it out along the way. And it seems to be working. Oh.